So good morning students. In my previous video, I was discussing about taxonomy and moving further. Today I am going to start with taxonomic hierarchy. So what is taxonomic hierarchy? It is the system of classification, right? So what? It is a system of classification of taxonomic categories, right? So what is taxonomic hierarchy? It is again hierarchy. When we are talking of hierarchy, we are talking about something which is very organizational, which is very systematic, right? So here we are talking about taxonomy, right? Again, then system of classification of the taxonomic categories is known as taxonomic hierarchy. Now, who gave the term taxonomic hierarchy? Again, Carlos Linnaeus was the scientist who gave the concept of taxonomic hierarchy. Now, a system of classification was given according to in the categories, and according to Lin, he gave 5 categories classification. First was class, order, then was genus, species, and last one was the variety. So this was given by Lin, and he gave the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are called as the different categories. So first category is class, then is order, then is genus, then is species, and then is the variety. But after some time, some work was done. So after some time work was done, and other workers, what they did, they deleted the variety from the system of classification. What they did, Linnaeus gave the order in such a way: class, order, genus, species, and variety. But other workers, the work was done further, and what they did, they edited or they removed the concept of variety from the system of classification, and they gave another, that is kingdom, phylum, or division, and or the next one was the family. So these 3 categories were introduced and the variety was removed. So the work was done by Lin and his co-workers. The system of classification then was, it was 7, there were total 7 categories in the system of classification. So what does it mean? That there were 7 categories in the taxonomic hierarchy, right? So the first was kingdom, then was phylum, then was class, order, family, genus, and then was I'm going to write it over here, genus, and then was the species. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there were total 7 categories which was given by Lin and the other co-workers. So starting from kingdom toward the species, this was the basic unit of taxonomic hierarchy, and this was the highest or the unit of taxonomic hierarchy, right? The basic unit, and this species is having the most related members, and as we move upward, species to genus to family, order, that the the relationship or the similarity between them goes on decreasing, right? So now there were the categories were divided into two types. One was the obligate categories. What was obligate categories? These 7 system classification was called as obligate categories, right? Obligate categories, what? These 7 system of classification was the obligate. But another term came into consideration was the intermediate categories. Intermediate categories. And what was intermediate categories? That the word sub or super was used in between, like sub kingdom, right? Like sub kingdom, then sub or super phylum, similarly subclass, suborder, subfamily, and go on and goes on. So such kind of classification in between the obligate categories, there was term used sub or super before the prefix was used before the classification, like kingdom, phylum, subkingdom, subphylum. These terms were used. And what was the need to introduce the intermediate categories was, as I told you in my previous video also, due to the diversification of the species, right? It was not possible to name all of them in only these 7 system of classification or in these 7 categories, and the discoveries are still going on. So it is very difficult to just to cover all those discoveries and all those things in only 7 obligate categories. So to remove that, intermediate categories were introduced, which worked more better for us and give us the scope how we can study more easily different kingdoms and the different species and different organisms in detail, right? So this was the taxonomic hierarchy. In my next video, we will start with the species, and one by one we will go into the detail. So the next topic of discussion will be species. Thank you, class.